Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. We are the team for PBL RKS 410 project, and today we are presenting our work on CM development and attack and defense strategy. Each of our team member has specific role, ranging from log management and threat simulation to CM monitoring. This responsibility help us cover every aspect of the project. Name team, number 1, it's me, Muhammad Arafin Nugraha, role log management. Number 2, Muhammad Surya Iqbal, role trade testing and simulation. Number 3, Riananda Adi Prayoga, role trade configuration and response. Number 4, Diki Putra Sepatiratu, role is a deployment. Number 5, Aisyah Fitri Mulyanti, role is access and infrastructure security team. Number 6, Lutfi Rianta Muji Prasetyo, role is a SIA monitoring. What is SIM? Security Information and Event Management. The SIM is a security system used to collect and analyze and visualize log for various sorts. Main goal, real-time threat detection and incident analysis to accelerate security response. This is a topology design. This SIEM architecture work in an integrated manner in 4 main layers. Number 1 is user access layer. Their use and attack actify on Nginx web service are logged in real time. Number 2, log collection and analyze layer that leverage Zabbix to monitoring server performance, CPU, RAM, network, and Wazoo IDS to detect threats such as violent login or suspicious file change. Number 3, data store and visualization layer with OpenSearch as encrypt log storage and Grafana for attractive monitoring dashboard. And number 4, threat response layer 2, automatic notification to SOC team via Telegram and VirusTotal integration for file or IP reputation verification. This design enable threat detection in second, centralized analyze, and rapid response, turning raw log into actionable intelligence. And next.
Project objective: develop and integrate CM solution with attack and defense strategies to enhance 1. Real-time threat detection. 2. Fast, coordinate security response. 3. Overall cyber resilience of the organization. Next. Main focus. Number 1, monitoring and analyze. Collect and analyze log from Nginx or web Zabbix performance and Wazoo HIDS. Number 2, tool integration. OpenSearch, log storage and indexing, Grafana, real-time and historical dashboard, Telegram automate alerts to the SOC team, VirusTotal, threat intelligence for deeper investigation. Number 3, threat simulation. Penetration testing, brute force port scanning, malware injection, firewall bypass. Document vulnerabilities and provide mitigation recommendation. Next. Project deliverables. Number 1, centralized CM system. First, anomaly detection, failed logins, file change, suspicious command. Number 2, Grafana dashboard and structured log storage in OpenSearch. 3, automate alerts to Telegram. Number 2, attack and defense infrastructure. Result of attack simulation and vulnerability analysis, firewall and IDS or IPS hardening recommendation. Number 3, documentation and report. End-to-end implementation guide and system architecture. Final report, detection, metric, threats analysis, and remediation plan. This slide summarizes the key stage of our attack simulation. Each image here represents a critical milestone in the process of penetrating and escalating access within the system. I will walk you through each one step by step. Next.
The first step, initial port scan result. In the first step, we conduct an port scanning operation using tools like Nmap to identify open port and active service on the target system. It is a common initial reconnaissance based in any cyber attack where we map out the system exposed entry point. And next.
Once we found open port, we perform service and version detection. This allows us to identify specific service like SSH, HTTP, and their respective software version. Knowing the version is crucial because it helps us know vulnerability that we can exploit later. Next.
Initial web access. Here we access the web interface served by Nginx. This step helps us observe how the web application behaves and what information it reveals. It also where we start probing for weakness such as outdated software, misconfigured setting, or exposed directory.
Further web enumeration. In this phase, we went deeper with web enumeration. We used tools like the Argo Booster to find hidden endpoint or directory. This helped us uncover admin panels, login pages, and other sensitive areas that are often not directly linked from the main site. Next.
Cell access successful. After identity a suitable exploit, we were able to again cell access to the server. This was done using metabolites to deliver a ploy that give a command line control. At this tech was had a foothold inside the system and could start moving literally.
Wazoo as a host-based intrusion.
Escalation of access right. Finally, we escalate our privilege. From a basic user cell, we use local privilege escalation techniques, such as exploiting means configured pseudo permission of vulnerable kernel modules to gain root or administrative access. These states represent a complete system compromise. All of the states were monitored out by our CM system, which successfully detect abnormal activities like port scanning, suspicious file access, and privilege change. This confirms that the system was not only logging threats but was also capable of real-time detection and alerting. Next.
Wazoo as a host-based intrusion detection system. Wazoo is a powerful open source that monitor file integrity, detect unauthorized access attempt, and audit user activity. It provides real-time alert for violent login attempt, file modification, and suspicious command. Wazoo integrates with log management tools to provide contextual data for forensic analysis, endpoint visibility, and form a core component in detection insider threat and malware, complement network level defense by offering deep visibility into host activity. Attack simulation technique used. Brute force login attempt were conducted to test password strength and authentication system. Malware injection test the ability of the system to detect and prevent code execution from unknown source. For scanning open port and service, the code be exploited by attacker. Firewall bypass test the robustness of network perimeter defense. This simulation real-world attack scenario to assess system resilience and identify gaps. Tools and method from attack simulation. Nmap was used for port scanning, OS fingerprinting, and network reconnaissance. Metasploit framework facilitate exploit of vulnerability and pilot delivery. Group Suite was to test web application security in cloud, XSS, and SQL injection time. These tools provide a hand-on approach to ethical hacking and red-team testing. Use a combination of tool help simulate multi-vector attack to test security mechanism.
defense strategies implemented. Firewall rules were configured to block authorized IP address and restrict access to sensitive port. And intrusion detection system and intrusion prevention system were implemented to detect and prevent attack. Automated response script were developed to isolate affected system and alert administrator. Continuous monitoring and log analysis helped identify persistent threat and anomalies. Security policies were enforced to improve overall relations and reduce the attack surface. Data flow and CM system architecture. User and attacker activity are logged from Nginx web service layer. Zabbix monitoring infrastructure performance and send data to OpenSearch. Wazoo detects security event and forward logs to OpenSearch for indexing. Grafana visualizes this log in real-time dashboard for SOC analysis. Alerts are triggered based on log patterns and forwarded to Telegram for rapid response. Next.
In this part of our project, we document our activities and plan future improvement. The logbook contains the delayed record of our implementation, performed from the initial setup, configuration of CM component to the execution of attack simulation and defense mechanism. Each step was tracked to ensure reproducibility and to help use evaluate what worked and what need improvement. As for the backlog, we identified several assessments that can be made to our CM system moving forward. First, we plan to integrate machine learning model to detect anomaly and advanced persistent rate that might go undecided be traditional method. Second, we aim to expand our log source to cover cloud environment, endpoint, uh, device, and container-based platform, which are commonly used in modern infrastructure. There, we're considering migration to enterprise-grade CM platform, such as Elastic or Splunk, for better scalability and enterprise feature. For we plan to implement automated remediation workflow, so the system can respond to certain threat without human intervention. Lastly, we see the improvements of continuous training and simulation, including red and blue team exercise to stay updated with deploying cyber threats. All of these plans are part of our vision to make the system smarter, more adaptable, and more effective, and this face of real world cybersecurity challenge. Next.
Future development plan for CM system integrating machine learning model to detect anomalies and defense advanced precision that expanding log source to include cloud environment, endpoint device, and container platform, migrating to enterprise-grade CM platform like Elastic CM or Splunk for scalability, implementing automatic remediation workflows for faster mitigation of detached threats, continue training and red blue team express to adapt to affluent cyber threats. In CM security information and event management development project and attack and defense simulation. Some of obsessed might be faced include number one, lack of expression, understanding of log analysis, CM configuration, such Elastic CM or Splunk, as well penetration testing and blue team defense test connect are still basic to recruit incentive learning. Number two, constraints project take a long time to configure, test, and refine, while course deadline are often tight.
That conclusion our presentation on CM development and attack and defense strategy. By understanding the fundamental concept of CM and implementations of well-structured defense strategy, we can better prepare for the insecurely complex cybersecurity threats. We hope the information shared today provides